So I've got a few bits to fit over winter. Been getting all the parts together. So we've got first part, a Honda OEM friction disc for the clutch. We've got the metal part that the clutch release bearing slides over. That's a common thing that wears out. We have a Honda clutch release bearing, so no cheap one, a proper one. I've got flywheel bolts, because you'll see in a minute I'm also doing some work on the flywheel. I've got the rear main oil seal, so we can change that. That's a genuine Honda one. I've got some grease, silicone grease for the clutch. I've got the sockets required to do it, they're special size. And then I've got an ACT uprated clutch clamping disc. This has got a bit more clamping force on it, mainly for like supercharged cars or turbocharged. And I figured, because I never really know what I'm going to do with the car, if I'm going to go to the effort of changing the clutch, then I might as well make sure I fit something decent. And underneath this box, I'll just shift this out of the way, we have a lighten steel flywheel. As you can see there, I've never actually ever fitted a lighten flywheel before, so it'll be interesting to see how I get on with it. From what people say, if you remove any rotating mass from the engine, then it's a big advantage. So yeah, why not? Figured I might as well get one. Plus the factory one's got 85,000 miles on it. What are the chances it hasn't got some heavy wear? Like, it's bound to be worn out. So yeah, got all those bits. Plan is really, car is off the road now until probably March, April time next year, because it's simply not worth me getting the road tax on it. If anyone's watching from outside of the UK, then basically road tax for a Honda S2000 now, especially the 2006 model, is now about £700 a year. So I'm only doing about 1,500, 2,000 miles a year. That's a lot of money to pay to just have the car sat in the garage. So I'm only going to pay to have it in, going to pay for road tax for 6 months a year. So yeah, I'm just going to plod along over winter, get all these parts fitted. I've got some other bits and bobs, some stone chip to redo some of the underseal underneath the car. Obviously you've probably seen I did the video with the timing chain tensioner, the Toda one. That's all fitted and it sounds a bit quieter. So yeah, it should in theory by next spring the car will have all the parts fitted that I've accumulated for ages. I've had this clutch probably 2 years and just never got round to fitting it. That's what happens when you've got a new baby in the house. But now I can actually get around and get it done. So I'll try and post some videos when I do the transmission. There's loads of videos online about how to change the clutch on an S2000. But yeah, I'll try and do a few videos just for a bit of info, and people might want to see it. So thanks for watching, and I'll make sure I post some updates soon.